So the one feature we haven't talked about yet is the prediction feature. Let me just explain to you how it works, that way you can use it better. What's going to happen is we break up the court into a bunch of rectangles or squares even, and you can actually control the size. Let me go into the prediction settings window. So from here, you can change the color of a made shot, change the color of the missed shot, combine shots, take the location of missed shots and made shots, and combine their location within the rectangle. The easiest way is I'm going to go ahead and display the rectangles, and from there we'll go ahead and display the predictions for the base set of rectangles. We'll come back and change the colors, change the rectangles later. So if we look and see what happened, the rectangles appear on the screen, and inside of each rectangle there will only be one blue dot and one red dot. What happens is all of the blue dots within a rectangle get averaged into one location, and all the red dots the same. Let's take a quick look at all of his shots and then look back at the predictions. So you see, it's a lot more shots. So we're going to cut it down with the prediction feature. Then, because it's Kobe Bryant, we'll go ahead and change the color of the made shots. Let's say magenta. And we can make the missed shots yellow. Let's try this again. Let's change the size and the dimensions of the rectangles to get a different perspective. So what we're going to do is on the vertical rectangles, we only want to see 5. And horizontally, let's only look at 10. Looks a little bit different. Gives us more of a spaced out, I guess, generic view. So looking at the court with the new prediction rectangles, you might not always care where all the shots were taken if there were only a few shots in that area. Let's focus on the center of the court, right in front of the free throw line. Let's look at the regular shots without the prediction rectangles. And we'll notice that he only took 2 shots in this area. So the real question becomes, do we really care if he only took 2 shots in that area? Probably not. Let's look at the display predictions, and let's set a minimum for all the rectangles so that they have to have more than 2 shots to even show up inside of our screen. So now not only did that disappear, but these 2 as well. So now we know in these rectangles that Kobe Bryant took more than 2 shots. I'm going to go ahead and remove the minimums on the rectangles so we can get all our shots back. There we go. And remember, magenta is for the made shots, yellow is for the missed. You might not be that concerned whether he made or missed a shot. You just want to know in this particular area, where is he probably likely going to shoot at? So we're just going to use our combined feature. We can go ahead and get rid of the missed and the made, and we'll keep the rectangles just so we have an idea of where we're looking at. So looking at the way Kobe shoots, in every square on the court, except for these, well, except for this one, he's gonna basically shoot from anywhere. What you need to know about Kobe is, if he's looking to shoot, you're in trouble.